Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about our startup procedures. First thing we need to do is make sure that our switch is in the off position. The next thing we need to do is turn our regulator knob counterclockwise, which is unscrewing it. However, what this will do is it will make it so no air comes out of our end. So you're actually closing it by loosening it. Your pressure gauge should then read 0. Next, we need to plug our compressor in. The next thing we're going to do is flip this switch to on. Now, when the compressor is started and the tank is empty, there will be a loud air noise. Now, the noise is normal because the cold start valves are allowing air to escape from the compressor lines. The noise will also be heard when the unit shuts off because an unloader valve located in the pressure switch is purging air from the lines. So any air type noise at the beginning and the end is normal. Next, we are going to attach our hose. And then lastly, we're going to adjust our regulator to our desired pressure.